During winter, my home stays free of excess moisture. The windows don't fog up and there's no musty smell. All it takes is having this on the windowsill in every room. Start by taking a decorative glass container. Fill it with regular table salt. The cheapest kind works perfectly. Salt absorbs moisture, doesn't spoil, and can last for weeks. Next, add a capful of your favorite laundry detergent. Make sure it has a strong, pleasant fragrance. The next ingredient is rubbing alcohol, which has disinfectant, antifungal, and anti-mold properties. Add 3 tablespoons of it to the salt in the container. Place the prepared container on the windowsill, especially in rooms where you notice water collecting on the windows during winter. Not only will it release a lovely scent that everyone will ask about, but it will also absorb excess moisture from the windows. This prevents condensation and stops mold from forming on window seals. I've been using this trick in my home for years,